Hi everyone, today I will show you very interesting topic how to make 3D printing in Cube Pro 3D printer and what is the basic process for that 3D printing. For that 3D printing first required 3D model with STL format. First we open our Cube Pro software and open model and choose model. Now it's placing on base plate. After that you have to do some three setting. One is rotate geometry, scale geometry and move geometry, but three setting are not mandatory. Where it's required you can do it. Scale geometry where it's required when each plane is not matched with our Cube Pro base plate, that time you have to set the rotate geometry, and scale geometry is not required. If your dimension is final, then it's not required. You can also reduce and increase decrease with the help of scale geometry, and move geometry you can move. After that you have to go setting and take a printer configuration setting, relaxing type of printer Cube Pro, and after that you have to set Z number and also you can set colors. After that you have to again go build setting, and in build setting you have to do three setting. One, layer resolution, you have to set layer, you can set layer 17 microns or 200 microns. After that you have to set print strength, and after that you have to setting print pattern. Then you come back home and build. After build you save this file. After that you get a Cube Pro file. After building you get a Cube Pro file, and also you get, after slicing you get a time estimation and material estimation, how much time required and how much material required for that 3D printing. Now it's slicing. After some time you can see that was time and material requirement. After that you have to save this file. Takes 7 hours, very more time. You can also increase decrease the size. You can do scale geometry and increase decrease the size. After that you have to take this file through pen drive. After that you have to take Cube Pro file through pen drive and take it and insert in your pen drive slot in Cube Pro 3D printer. Now see, I am opening the printer inside. This is the base plate, white one, and left side is cartridge where we fix our material, 3D printer material. And now it will starting. Now I close the door and again I touch in print command. Now I take print command and it takes some time. Now glue is heating, it takes some time. After that Now see, our program is working according to our design. I hope all of you clear about our 3D printing process in Cupro 3D printer, and request to all, kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, comment my YouTube channel for next interesting video. Thanks for watching my video.